How goes it? So I'm impressed with this little machine, the VC15P. Little pile, little dump trailer. Works pretty dang good. I have plenty of room for my feet now, so I think I'm just going to build a different set of pedals that gives me foot room and pedals to do, both functions with my feet and my hands at the same time. All right, there's a little preview today. If you're on the fence about getting one, I would do it. And the P makes all the difference, my opinion.